In today's video, I would like to quickly talk about the 5 exercises that's part of the ultimate beginner's workout plan. I call it the beginner's 5, okay? So these exercises can be done anywhere, and those are full body exercises that can get you started. If you're a complete fitness beginner, these are great for you. All this exercise, you don't need any sort of gym equipment to start, and you can do it at your home. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Max. I'm just an average working dude who is on my journey to find my max in physique transformation through a sustainable fitness lifestyle. I welcome you to follow me on my journey, and hopefully I can help you to find your max. Alright guys, so today I would like to quickly talk about the 5 exercises that is great for fitness beginner who have completely no prior experience in some sort of working out, okay? So these 5 exercises, I call it the beginner's 5, and this routine is part of the ultimate beginner's workout plan. And this plan is made completely for a complete beginner who never really worked out before in their life, okay? The plan is really to focus to help you get a sustainable workout habit. Now, the plan you can definitely download in the description down below, but today I want to quickly walk you through the 5 exercises. The 5 exercises are very simple. In my mind, there are 5 essentials that we can do. So we're going to target a lot of our major muscle group like our legs, our chest, our back, core as well. So the 5 exercises that we're going to do, and I'm going to quickly walk you through it, targets all that. Okay, and the cool thing about it, if we get it started early on, we can increase the intensity by adding weights or different variations to get started, okay? Before we continue further, today's videos are brought to you by Find Your Max merch store, and we'll talk more about that later. So today, the beginner's 5, what equipments do we need? Really, we don't really need anything to just start, okay? And today, I kind of use a towel, a gym towel, to help with the back exercise, but honestly, you don't really need that, but having this can help us to contract our shoulder blade. In my opinion, it helped me to feel better contraction on my back muscles. But today, the towel is only what we're gonna need. All right, so the first exercise in the beginner 5, it's a push movements, okay? The goal of this exercise is we want to really target our chest area. So we're gonna perform some sort of push movement. And in this case, we're gonna do a regular push-up. The goal is to do 4 sets of 20 reps, either 30 seconds to 60 seconds of rest in between. So what we're gonna do is just do a regular push-up. Okay, engage the core and arms. When we push down, our hand palm is going to be in our chest area, and here we go. And we're going to do 20. We're going to do 20 reps. It's okay if you cannot do a regular push-up. Definitely you can use wall push-up or a kneeling push-up to eventually get to a regular push-up, okay? Just do your best to find your max. All right, the second movement in our beginner's 5 is a squat. A squat, we can target our leg muscle, our hip, our quads, and our hamstring, okay? So what we're gonna do is make sure we don't start squatting with the knees, okay? That will hurt your knees. So what you wanna do is your feet is about roughly shoulder width apart, depending. Now, everybody's a little bit different. Some people have shorter legs, then the whole ergonomics is gonna be different, and also depending on your flexibility, okay? But what we wanna do is we wanna make sure we initiate the movement with our hip, okay? So we wanna make sure we move the hip first, before, and then we're sitting, like kind of like sitting down in the chair, right? But what you don't want to do is moving your knees first, okay? So what we want to do is sit back and up. Some people can go much lower because they're more flexible. I'm not able to really squat really low, but what you want to do is make sure to bend the hip first and sit back. Go as minimum 90 degrees and come up, okay? Come up. You can have your arm here, you can have it right here, okay? And one important thing is when we are squatting, we don't want to lock in our knees, okay? We want to make sure our knees are pointing out, okay? We want to make sure we want to open our knees. We don't want to cave in our knees, okay? Open it up, okay? Open it up. Sit back, okay? Okay, so this movement, we're gonna aim to do 20 reps, and we're gonna do 4 sets of it and try to have 30 seconds to 60 seconds rest in between. The third and fourth exercise, we're gonna target our back, okay? But now we're gonna have two different angles. One is a pull down motion, and the other one is a roll motion. We're gonna start with the pull down, okay? Now this is where we want to grab a towel, okay? I found that if you grab the end of the towels on both sides and you extend your arms, I feel that it helps with contracting the lats, the back muscles, okay? So the first we're gonna do a pull down. So extend our arms, make sure the towel is tight, and we pull down to your chest, okay? And then you should feel your back contracting, and then we pull up and let up and pull down, okay? Squeeze your back. You want to imagine your back, you're squeezing a lemonade, okay? Imagine there is a lemon, a back here, and you're trying to squeeze it, okay? Here, you're trying to squeeze it. Feeling the contraction in the back muscle is super hard. So that's why I think by using a towel to start off, to learn without the weights, to feel the contraction in the back muscle and feeling your lat squeeze, okay? Or your back muscle, and just pull down and just hold it for about a second. Oh, okay? So we're gonna repeat this 20 reps, 4 sets. Before we go to the fourth and fifth exercise, a quick word from today's sponsorship, Find Your Max merch store. Your Max merch store is a fitness-related design that is motivating, funny, and sometimes sarcastic. The print-on-demand store is a great environmentally friendly way to shop for your next t-shirt, hoodies, or your phone case because they do not carry any inventory. When you want it, we will print it and ship it to you so we don't waste any resource that will pollute the environment. Make sure to check it out, Find Your Max merch store, and the links are in the description down below. Now, back to the topic. All right guys, the fourth exercise, again, we're still gonna be targeting our back muscles, but now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a roll motion, okay? So it's gonna be we're gonna stick our arms out like that, okay? And we're just gonna pull, okay? Same thing, making sure the towels are tight. And rather than the last one, we're pulling it down. What we're gonna do is we just pull like that. We're gonna do a roll motion. Same thing, imagine your back, it's squeezing a lemon. Kind of squeeze that lemonade, okay? Extend your arms and pull back and hold for about seconds, okay? Pull. We want to focus on getting the movements right to start off, okay? So this is your fourth exercise, a roll motion with a towel. Okay, and the last movement, what I really suggest in the beginner 5 is doing a high plank. Now, high plank can really target all our muscles. It's a static hold. What we're gonna do is I'm wearing gloves because I'm on the ground here and it hurts my palm. But if you can, if you're gonna do it at home, just have a yoga mat, okay? Or do it on the carpet, it's fine. I'm just doing it outside, so I'm protecting my palm with the gloves, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go onto our regular push-up stance, okay? Core tight and tight our butt, and we're gonna hold. We're gonna hold here, okay? We're gonna hold here for, you know, try to, if you can, hold it for a minute or as long as possible, and just hold, okay? And hold. So to finish off the routine, using this static hold that can really engage all your muscles, and you're gonna tone your muscles a lot, okay? Okay guys, so those are my 5 exercises in the beginner's 5 routine. Now you can definitely structure it into your weeks. You can do twice a week or 3 times a week, and you train your whole body, right? And all this exercise, if you do it right, and you can slowly, by increasing the intensity by adding weights or using resistance bands or even dumbbells, especially for your back, right? Or for your squat, you can add weights as you go on. But we want to make sure we get the movements right. So if you're a complete beginner, really hone in on getting the movements right, okay? Now you can download the Beginner's Ultimate Workout Plan. They are in the description down below. They're completely free. Go check it out. Now, if you want to learn more about how to build a sustainable fitness lifestyle, I got a playlist coming up right now. Make sure to check it out. All right, guys, until next time, peace.